student, good morning. I hope you are fine. And you know that here I meet after long period of time. I hope all of you given best performance in periodic test. And you know that I revised the lesson 2 times, 3 times. Okay. Now, as you know that in previous online class I have explained the chapter 5 food health and hygiene, and also I in previous online class I solved some exercise, but here now start the here now again we solve the choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Now see the one by one. First, you do that. Today we have discussed about the lesson 5 food, health and hygiene, and exercises choose the correct answer. Each questions have 4 options and you choose the correct answer. First, see the variety of food that contains all the nutrients in right proportion, in right amount is called. You know that which type of suppose any diet contain all nutrients, means they have proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, etc. And this called option A healthy food, B balanced diet, C fast food, and D qualitative food. What? Yes, option B is correct. Balanced diet. You know that a balanced diet contains all nutrients in right amount. Okay. Now next, second number, carbohydrates are energy giving food. You know that carbohydrate also known as energy giving food, but excess amount of carbohydrates causes. But if any person take excess amount of carbohydrate, then cause option A perplexity, B communicable disease, C obesity, and D healthy body. What? Yes, option C is correct, obesity. You know that obesity, motapa. Next, third number, proteins are option A energy giving nutrients, B body building nutrients, C disease fighting nutrients, and D digestive nutrients. Proteins are which type of nutrients? Yes, option B is correct, body building nutrients. You know that proteins repair the damaged cell, worn out dead cells. That's why proteins are called body building nutrients. Now next, fourth number, the nutrients that provide heat and energy are which type of nutrients provide heat and energy, both heat and energy also. What? Option A fats, B fibers, C minerals, D proteins. What? Fat. Option A is correct, fats provide heat and energy. Okay, now fifth question number fifth, orange, grapes and carrots are rich sources of. In these food items, what type of nutrients found? Option A proteins, B fibers, C vitamins, D water. What? Yes, vitamins. Orange, grapes and carrots are rich source of vitamins. Okay. And you know that the vitamins also known as protective food. Okay. 6 number, question number 6. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of which vitamins cause the, means which vitamins? You guess here vitamin A, B, C, D. Deficiency of vitamin, which vitamin causes scurvy? And scurvy disease caused by, option C is correct, vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Now question number 7. Rasi is suffering from goiter. Rasi is suffering from goiter. She should be given a diet rich of. You know that here Rasi is suffering from goiter and she should be given a diet rich of. Rasi is suffering from goiter and what type of nutrients give to Rasi? And option A, iodine, B, phosphorus, C, iron, D, calcium. You know that goiter disease is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. So iodine option is correct. Iodine. Clear? Iodine. Rasi is suffering from goiter. She should be given a diet rich of iodine. And you know that where iodines, which food items, what type of things give iodine? Yes, salt, seafood. Okay. Next, 8 number. Jaundice is caused by. Jaundice is caused by, option A, bacteria, B, virus, C, protozoa, D, insect. What? While you know that jaundice is caused by the bacteria. Jaundice is caused by the bacteria. I know that contaminated water and food causes the jaundice, and in contaminated food and water contain bacteria, and bacteria cause the jaundice. Next, 9 number. A dreaded disease caused by the virus HIV, human immunovirus, that attacks the immunity system. HIV virus that attack the immunity system, attack on the immunity system is, option A, rickets, B, night blindness, C, AIDS, and D, polio. Yes, wrong. Option C is correct. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Next, 10th number, question number 10. Deficiency diseases are caused due to. Deficiency, you know that diseases are two types: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Communicable disease spread from one person to another person, but non-communicable disease, they cannot spread from one person to another person. And in non-communicable diseases, deficiency diseases are the best example. So here you see microorganisms, no, lack of nutritious food, lack of medicines, lack of clean water. What? Deficiency disease is caused due to lack of nutritious food. You know that if you suffering from any nutrients, if you not take proper amount of any nutrients, then you suffering from nutritious disease, nutritious lack of nutrients, deficiency diseases. Okay, see again, I repeat again. Choose the correct answer. A, first number. The variety of food that contains all the nutrients in right proportion is called balanced diet. Option B is correct. B. Carbohydrates are energy giving food, but excess amount of carbohydrates causes obesity. Option C is correct. Proteins are body building nutrients. Option B is correct. Fourth number, the nutrients that provide heat and energy are fats. Option A is correct. Fifth number, orange, grapes and carrots are rich sources of vitamins. Option C is correct. Sixth number, scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Option C is correct. Next, Rashi is suffering from goiter. She should be given a diet rich of iodine. Option A is correct. Jaundice is caused by the bacteria. Option A is correct. Dreaded disease caused by the virus HIV that attacks the immunity system AIDS. Option C is correct. And last, deficiency diseases are caused due to lack of nutritious food. Now all students, you have take copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 5, food, health and hygiene. Homework is give 2 examples of each. Give 2 examples of each. First, proteinated food. You give 2 examples of proteinated food. Second, carbohydrated food. You give 2 examples of carbohydrated food. Third, fatty food. You give 2 examples of fatty food, 2 food items. Fourth, 2 examples of 2 communicable diseases. Give 2 examples of communicable diseases. And last, non-communicable diseases. You give 2 examples of non-communicable diseases. You try to solve this homework in copy. And you know that I am solve this homework in next video, but before that you try to solve this, and you know that this question answers is very easy. So best of luck. Thank you. God bless you.